Hello guys, this is Sai Krishnan from the trendyblog.net. In this video, let us do the unboxing and quick review of the Acer ET221Q 21.5-inch IPS Full HD monitor. The price quoted on the box is 14,000 rupees, but I got this for around 7,500 rupees on Amazon.in. This is a budget monitor which has a bezel-less design and has a 21.5-inch Full HD IPS display panel. So unboxing the box pack. Here we have all the items that we get with this. We have the user manual to the first. Then we have the aux audio cable that you can connect to your monitor. Then we have the power cord. Then the power adapter. The base connector stand that you can connect to the base. So here is the base in which you can connect that stand and it fits perfectly. So here we have the bottom of the pad which you can screw and you can make the stand tighter. Then here is the monitor which is packed well on the cardboard box. Opening up the monitor, you can see it has a bezel-less design, and here we have fitted the stand, and let's connect this to the monitor. To the rear of the monitor we have this slot in which you can connect the stand and it fits perfectly on the place, and the stand is now connected to the monitor and it's quite stable. To the rear bottom of this monitor you have the HDMI slot, the DVI slot and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Although you don't get a HDMI cable with this, but you only get the DVI cable, so you can connect the HDMI separately. Some buttons to control the monitor. To the rear we have the power cord which gets connected. So to the top we have the speakers which are pretty much useless and they sound terrible, but they get the job done just in case you don't have an external speaker connected to your PC or laptop. So here is the Amazon listing for this monitor. I will leave a link in the description from where you can go and check it and buy this monitor. So this has a bezel-less design and you can see this looks quite good. This refresh rate is decent and the monitor is pretty much usable for all of your daily tasks like programming or doing some writing tasks, etc. So here are some of the settings which you can be controlled via the buttons here. So you can see we have the blue light filter, we have some power mode and other few settings which can be controlled via the buttons to the rear. So here we have the blue light and you can just configure this according to your own preference. So the color temperature can be adjusted accordingly with warm, cool, or you can have a user level also. The display is good enough for all of your multimedia tasks, etc. So here you can listen to the audio quality of this monitor. The volume is at full now. And on the box back you can see that here are some of the technical. Although the height can't be adjusted on this monitor, you can adjust the angle of this monitor according to your preference. So here is the viewing angles of this monitor. So as this is an IPS screen, the viewing angle should be obviously good, and here you can see I'm viewing from different angles and they look good enough for your usability. So I am using this monitor for blogging purpose and also a little bit of programming. So you can see the text is clear, it's pretty sharp, and this would be a good monitor if you are a programmer or even a blogger or writer. You can just add this extra screen to your setup and this will be a good add-on to your PC setup. To increase or decrease the brightness every time you have to use the physical buttons on this monitor. Instead you can use an app called Monitorian. So here you can see I'm adjusting the brightness of my laptop with the Monitorian app, and I can do the same with the monitor. So let me show you how to do that. You can see I'm now adjusting the brightness levels of the monitor and you can feel the difference on the screen. The brightness gets adjusted accordingly, so it's a pretty handy tool which you can have. In terms of screen quality, definitely yes, this is a good monitor for the price, for 7,000 rupees that I bought. You can also buy this from Amazon.in. Links to the purchase please in the description. This will be a great add-on to your additional setup, and here you can see the refresh rates are also good enough. So overall, if you are looking to buy a monitor for around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, you should definitely check this monitor out. Guys, that was a quick unboxing and review of the monitor. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. A full review will be coming up soon on the blog, so stay tuned for that. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. This is Sai Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.